Hi viewers, welcome to 5 Mantra. Now I want to work with the Python, right? I decided, and it is the interpreter, it is the easiest process, easily convert into machine understandable code, and it is simply I can develop the applications. But now you will get a confident, right? Now where the resources are available, that is important. Before getting the resources, what exactly you know about Python? Okay, when it was introduced and what was the present version we have, these things we have to know. At glance I'll explain once, right? And this is Python is the open source and free software. Simply you can download from the website, and simply you can download and you can install, you can run the application, you can develop the application. Okay, why? Because it is a free licensed, right? Free licensed software, and it is a open source, and you can update, you can give new features also into this also. That was the main advantage of this open source. And the next one is Python is laid its foundation in the 1980s. It was introduced in 1980s. Who is introduced by Mr. Guido van Rossum is introduced this language in the 1980s, and the next versions are implemented like 0.9 version is 1991, 94 1.0 version. Next major advantages from 1.0 to 2.0 was it still 2.0 was used. It is a have lot of legacy systems are implemented as a scripting language. They used Python 2.0, but still it have a lot of redundant uh, ingredients we have. To avoid that, to get a best sophisticated programming language to support present programming environment, okay, they introduced a new version, that is a 3.0 in a 2008. From 2008 onwards, many applications are developed, many programmers are used this Python extensively because this kind of nature. It is easy to use, easy to learn, easy to implement, easy to develop the application, and it is a moreover it is an open source application, and it is a free one, right? That was the main advantages we have. Present environment it is used, and these application supports so many environments. Like you can develop different type of applications like Windows applications, web application, console applications, and present trend artificial intelligence and mission languages, and so many things. Whatever so called present environment is going in data analytics also, Python is using. Okay, Python language is used for data analytics also. And the present in a web development also, already I said this Python is more extensively they are using. Why? Because this nature of the language, because this language is very easy and simple and easily to you can adapt into your. And how we learn in the 90s, how we learn C language, and with the help of C language we learn so many things, right? Same way we can work with the Python also. Python also you can start from scratch, right? You don't know anything, you don't know any language, but now you know you want to work as a programmer or developer. Okay, you can start your career with the Python programming language. That much advantages we have. Now what Python was implemented means, how this Python means, many people, this is already, it is a old language, it is followed, influenced by the ABC language. That is already, if you know C language history, this is the ABC is the one predecessor of the C language, right? So the same modular 3 is on another one. This is the modularization approach we have. And not only this, present environment in 3.0, it is acquainted with the other programming features like object oriented features also. It will support by this Python 3.0. And this is the greatest person, because of because of him we are doing now. And he is nothing but a Guido van Rossum is a father of these are Python, right? Now where to get these resources? Already these resources, already I said this Python is a open source, freely you can use and you can develop the applications, right? Now this is the website you have to go www.python.org. There downloads we have. There you will get a different versions, which version you want to work, like 2.0 versions you have and 3.0 versions you have. Which one? Maybe you are from legacy systems, you are working with the legacy systems already implemented with the old versions. Right now you can develop with the old versions also, as well as new environment also, right? This supports, see that Windows, Linux, Mac OS X means iOS operating systems, and other also it is support. See, present Python is, why? Because we are learning this Python is, Python can run, it is not run in all operating system, it is not belongs to any proprietary concern, right? It is belongs to all, it is a open source and freely you can develop, right? From the here you can develop, you will get a documentation and all, you will get everything from this resource website, right? Now I want to install Python. So when you want to install the Python, just go with the python.org. There it is the one website. There you will get all Python, all resources, python.org. It is the organization. Okay, it is the organization, and here you have a menu. In this menu, you will get a download. Select the download. This is the download. There you will get all latest versions. Right. If you see that 3.74 is the present versions we have. Before also already we have 2.7 and all. These versions may be after these years, maybe you won't get a support from this organization. Okay, strictly we have to use the 3 versions only, right? If you see that these versions are released already, you have so many releasing dates, and by following these based on your requirement you can select and you can download, and downloading process is the same and installation process also same, nothing was changed. Okay, in based on versions, based on your requirement, you can select any version and you can work with that, right? This licensing is the open source. See that this is the open source, and no need to get any no need to panic for this software. It is a free software. Simply you can download and you can work with us. Right now just the present version I am selecting, and my environment is a Windows operating system. Automatically this will be downloaded, and sorry, 3 times I pressed, 3 files are getting downloaded. Right now just it will take couple of seconds, and this after completion of this download, and I am getting to install, right? I'm selecting this. Okay, it is showing folders, this is available in the folders, like, okay, and here I'm installing. See that when you are doing a installation process, don't get panic. It is a simple how we install simple gaming software. Same way we can install this Python also. Nothing to worry, and no need to get internal things of operating systems and so called, right? Simple way you can install. Why? Because you are not a administrator, you are a developer. Now, just no need to get any panic on this. This is how we install gaming software. Same way we can install this one. How you install MS Office? Maybe that is a complex, but it is very easy, right? So, what you have to take care is only one thing. You have the important thing. You have to do that one. That is the add path 3.72 path. This actually what it will do is it will add automatically to the operating system to select your application as a internal application for the operating system. Where these paths are available means, if you see that operating system, if you know the operating systems, okay, you know my computers, okay, and the properties, and you will get a properties, and in this you will get advanced system settings, and here environmental variable we have. See that this is the environmental variable. Wherever you are adding a path, that path will be added into this Here user variables and system variables, you have to add here your applications. Whatever your applications you are installing in your operating system, that application will be added into this. Okay, and here username and processor and everything will be added, and just check, you have to do the automatically this will be added. But sometimes if you are not doing that, if you are not selected this uh, one add path to 3.72 path, then it won't be added this path to your operating system, it won't be run. That is the main drawback. Here it is, you have to remember, here you have to select this checkbox at any cost. Okay, this is the checkbox you must select, then only it will add. Once it is added, then once it is selected, then over. What you have to do, install now. No need to do anything, simple, automatically it will install. Do you allow? The simple question it will ask. This is the simple dialog box, automatically it will be added, and this path automatically added to this. Okay, your operating system. Here it will add it. Just check after this your path will be added. Okay, and this Python 3.74 7.4 is the new available software with the python.org. Automatically we downloaded that one freely and we are installing right now. When we are installing any Python software, what we have to do is you have to select the path. Okay, if you are not selecting path, it is very difficult to work with the Python operating system, with the internal resource of your operating system with the Python. It is a somewhat difficult you have, means externally you have to do them as initial. Just to follow these steps, automatically it will be installed. Okay, and automatically it will be give the one IDE. Just get that IDE and you can develop the application. Simple, you have to do this one. Once it is completed, then just you have to finish the application. Say this is the Python 3.7.4 bootstrap operations, and that is the 32-bit application. Remember this is only you have to do this one. And based on, maybe you are from Unix or Linux, you that required application you have to select. See that if you want to go with the downloads, simply go with the download. Here 3.74 is there. For Windows we have one set of file we have. Okay, for another operating system we have, right? We have another operating system, Mac OS X. Okay, and here also you have a separate same version for Mac operating system. And if you go with the download, other platform also we have. If you go with that, you will get a Python for AX and Python for IBM I and Python for iOS and Python for OS 390 and ZOS, Python for Solaris, Python for VMS, Python for HPUX, and whatever so-called operating systems and environment we have. For all environment we have separate Python setup, right? Select the Python setup based on your requirement, but only installation process will be differ, but your syntax and everything will be the same in all operating systems, right? Okay, now it is implemented. See that special thanks to someone without whose year of freely he is not given this opportunity, we cannot work with that. And disable a path length limit. Okay, change your machine configuration to allow the program including Python to bypass 260 character max path. Okay, if your path, why? Because this path is very big. Why? Because automatically this is installed in a C drive. Okay, in a my programs and common programs, this is the folder we have where it is installed, that I'll explain. Okay, it is a previous file, right? No. Okay, now see that this is the add path 3.72 path is important. You have to check that checkbox, right? Now I want to work with the Python. Now I installed Python whatever present version we have with the python.org, I downloaded, and easily I downloaded and I followed the next, and in between I selected only one thing, that is path selection. Okay, the check box you have to select. Once it is completed, go with the menu. There you will get A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, go with the P, and Python 3.7 is the present version. Here, this is the environment we have. You have a document, you have a manuals, you have a Python 32-bit 3.7 engine, and now this is the IDLE. This is important, and IDLE is important integrated development environment. And here, with the help of this, I can develop different, I can test my Python code, I can write my Python code, I can interpret, and I can get the results in a single window. And this will supports interactive mode. See that now I want to work with the uh, addition of two numbers, simple, 12 plus and 45. This is a simple interactive mode, right? It is a simple calculator. How we work with the calculator, same way I can work with that. Which one you want, how many big number you want to do, that same thing, which operation you want to do, that operation you can do this. Okay, this is the advantage we have. That's why we are calling this IDE is a interactive IDE. Now, I want to write a one script file, right? When you want to write more than one command, like more than one statement you want to write, that we call as a script, right? When you want to run more than one line script, okay, you have to open a file, go to the file menu. Here you have so many menu options. Right here, select the new file option. Okay, once you will get the new file, if you see that this is the file, new file option you have, this is the independent one, and next one is this is also next another one you have this. Okay, this is the independent, it will work, and that is independent, it will work. Now this is the another shell I open. Here I will write one a equal to some constant I will take the, okay, a equal to 1 2 3. Next I'll go with the another variable, that is b, right? Enter b equal to, that is b equal to 4 5 6. Now enter c equal to, now I am taking another variable, that is the I'm working with the plus operation, a plus b, simple, right? A plus b. Now this is the 3 lines code I have. Now I want to print the result also. So for that I am going with the result with the help of print function. I predefined function it is. Okay, it is implemented, it is available in a Python. It is print the output on output screen. Right, simply I'll write print result is simple. Okay, result is, just to close the double quotes and put the comma. The result is available in a C, right? Basically already you are a mathematics student, you know basic maths, right? It's a simple notation, C equal to A plus B, right? Now I got it. Now I want to run this. When you want to run this code, simply once again you have to depend on menu, right? Here file, edit, format, run, option, windows, help, like these so many menu options we have. Now in this I'll go with the run. See here, Python shell, check module, run module, or run customized. Run module I will select. Yes, when you are running the module, that module you have to give a one specific name. Okay, that extension must be .py. See here, it will ask the one dialog, it will show the one dialog box, it will ask the file place, default place is, it is a default folder is Python 3732 is a folder, it is available in a C folder, that I'll open once again after completion of this program. Okay, now I want to give a new, okay, name. This is the test My file name is test1 dot extension is .py. Okay, if you are not given also, automatically it will take. Why? Because it's the same as a type of Python file. Python file is extension is nothing but a .py. Once it is saved, then result is 579. Simple, right? Now automatically your code is converted into machine understandable code, and it will give the results, and that result will be shown in a output, okay, screen. So that's why we called this IDLE is provide interactive mode. So whenever in a C language or any other programming language, after compilation, one another window you will get, there you will get the output, right? But here it is not like that. Same window you will get everything, right? You can write multiple lines as a script file, and you can save into one file, one place, and you can open at any time. Now I want to open where these files are available, where is the default folder is available, that I'll go in. Okay, now see that file open. If you want to know where this file is available, just go with the file menu, there open, there you will get a path, right? Just select this path, okay, and control C, just copy and cancel. Now just getting the file path only we are using this. Okay, now just go with the there, just copy it, copy paste, right? Just open, enter. Okay, this is the Python default folder. This is the path where you saved all your resources, Python resources. This is the local disk C. This is the by default your operating system is available in a C drive, and user slash q slash app data slash local dash programs dash slash sorry Python. In that Python you have a Python 32 37 folder is there. There you will get. Now I written one. You want to read or you want to run, you can do that one. Open with, okay, more apps. Now I'll open with the notepad, then you will get to know what, see that this is the path, this is the code what we written, that code is executed and it is available in a Python. See that this is the Python, and here this is the test one, already it is available. And if you want to open this, automatically it will open one IDE, and you can select this one also, right click on this, okay, open with. Just when you open this, just to choose Python, automatically it will open. It's the results you will get it, right? This is the way we'll do the Python programming. It is, I think, viewers, it is very simple, and it is a simple language and simple syntax we have, as well as installation process also very simple, and it will take less time. This is the advantages we have. That's why many programmers are migrating from their environment to Python. If you learn this Python, if you are already developer, you are working with some XYZ languages, still if you concentrate on Python, maybe your career will be bright and it will be helpful for your next generation, okay, next job interviews and all. It is an add-on advantage only if you learn Python, and no need to concentrate more on this Python. Why? Because all features are already, object orientation features or procedure oriented features. What you have to know is how to work with this Python. You have to know that. I'll give a clear demonstration, and just to follow our channel, then you will get everything. Thank you.